The perfect dog bed really does exist, especially since my kid built it in under 10 minutes all by herself. And washing it's going to be a breeze because it's machine washable. Just place all the inserts and voila, you have a beautiful, large, comfy bed that your dog will love. Ammo gave it the official sniff test and boom, he was ready to stay. And y'all know if it's Ammo approved, it's good to go, right? Ammo's approval is signed, sealed, and delivered. Just look at the Gigi baby. You know we got to get sister in on it. There's multiple sizes to choose from. I'm going to link it below.